Thanks, Tammy. And now it's time to talk about the Live Better portion of today's presentation. It's about creating the lifestyle that works for you and your family, and Nerium sure has that experience within our company. It does start with the right industry. Let's talk about the anti-aging industry for a moment. You know, as a guy, when Jeff Olson first founded this company, I thought to myself, what's a guy gonna do in the anti-aging industry? Boy, was I surprised to find out the facts of this industry. It's an absolute booming industry. The anti-aging industry in the United States alone is over an $80 billion industry. Analysts predict that the anti-aging industry is growing right now at approximately $1 billion a month and is figured to do that over the next 36 months. You don't even have to have a good product to stick it in an industry that's growing at $1 billion a month, but what if you had the #1 product backed by real science like Nerium has? That's what we talk about, a unique opportunity, the perfect storm, as a marketer would refer to that. 9 out of the top 10 billion-dollar-plus companies in direct sales are in beauty. The #1 space for wealth is that of beauty. The #1 category in beauty is skin in the niche market of anti-aging, where we sit with Nerium International. So the benefits are there in the right industry. Let's talk about relationship marketing. What we've decided as a company to take our product to market is to do this belly to belly from home with average everyday people like you and I. What are those benefits? A low startup cost. So not the average person going out there and having hundreds of thousands of dollars to start the average business. We don't have that issue here. The unlimited earning potential. Finally, dictating what you're worth rather than having someone else dictate what we're worth. That's what I love. I get to basically don't have that. It's a glass ceiling is what we like to say. That unlimited, just go shoot for the moon, shoot for the stars, and you'll kind of dictate what type of income you're going to earn here. You want to earn a little bit? Do a little bit. You want to earn a lot? Do a lot. Let's not forget the tax benefits of owning your own home-based business. There's lots of benefits that come along with that as well. Now we'd like to really bring out a point of the right leadership. After 10 years in the Navy myself, I really truly have lived my life on this principle that everything rises and falls on leadership. And thank God for us here at Nerium International, we have Jeff Olson, the industry icon. Jeff Olson is also the author of the best-selling book, The Slight Edge. And Jeff Olson has hit 4 home runs in this industry, and he's the founder and CEO of Nerium International. Look at the third-party credibility that the company has. We're the youngest company to ever been featured on the cover of Success from Home magazine. We're the youngest company to ever been featured on the cover of the Direct Selling News. We just have accolade after accolade after accolade for a fairly new company that's out there really running at a very, very fast pace, but a very deliberate pace because of the quality of management and executive leadership we have down at our home office. Now, let's not make sure we get our priorities out of order. Of course, we want to help you make more income. Of course, we want to be a successful company, but we're not just another skincare company. Nerium's a company that truly wants to collectively make a difference in the world through our Nerium Ripple. We give 30% of profits back to biotech research, really right off the top here at Nerium International. We're a company of givers, a company of real people that want to create a great difference out there in the world and also have some fun doing it here with Nerium. Now, at this point, you're probably saying to yourself, okay, I've heard enough. The right leadership, an incredible product, the science that backs it, the right industry. How do I get paid to be a brand partner with Nerium International? It's very simple. It's just sharing the experience. All we do is share a great product that gets real results. But here's what's great for you and I. It doesn't take a marketing degree. It doesn't take hundreds of hours a week. It doesn't have to take fancy sales skill or a script of any sort. We just simply get started as a brand partner with the company. The company provides you with the tools, the trainings, the systems to help us go out there and build our company, build our business, and build our brand. The brand partner launch kit's where it's at. You're going to get brochures, DVDs, training CDs, even some of the most recent publications that have been featured on some of the newsstands like Success from Home magazine or A Beautiful You, all come in that kit. In addition to that, personal development. I'm a huge proponent of personal development. We invest in you as a brand partner as well. One thing that is in that launch kit is a success planner. And I just love the name of that, Success Planner. And it's a 90-day roadmap to teach you how to go from brand new and driving that Lexus if you choose to go through that roadmap in that 90-day period. Now, you have an option of how you get started. I'm going to just share with you 2 options. One, you can get started with a $4.99 Success Pack or a $9.99 Success Pack. Both Success Pack comes with the same launch kit that we talked about. However, it's the amount of product that comes in that launch kit. The smaller kit's gonna come with 5 bottles of Nerium AD. The larger kit's gonna come with 12 bottles of Nerium AD, and you're gonna make a decision on what works the best for you. It's just simply this: how fast do you wanna build your business? How big do you wanna drive your check? There's enough product to launch your business in those kits. It's just a matter of how fast you personally wanna go. Let's talk about compensation for a second. Our Nerium Gives Back is the first part of our compensation plan, and this is where we resupply your inventory for free. Opposed to you going down and down to the local warehouse of a typical company and having to resupply yourself with inventory with your own credit card. Some of us call that being garage qualified, where you're just buying and buying and buying and repurchasing from the parent company. We've done the absolute opposite, a true paradigm shift in this industry where we give back. So once you get started, that one-time investment with your Success Pack or your Premier Pack, we're then gonna resupply that inventory. Every time you sign up a customer for auto ship of the Nerium AD product, we're gonna send you a $110 bottle of Nerium for free. Every time you sign up a brand partner into your business, we're gonna send you a $110 bottle of Nerium for free. We'll send you 1 bottle, 2 bottles, 5 bottles, 20 bottles. There's no limit on how many bottles you can earn for free. It's free inventory to build your business. Many of our brand partners have purchased their kit and have never bought anything else off us again because of the Nerium Gives Back program. It just makes sense. Now, we want to talk about something that's really unique. It's fun. I think it's a simple process to show someone how to build that beginning fundamental building blocks of their business. We call it the Roadmap to Lexus. The Roadmap to Lexus is our compensation package, and it makes it fun and easy to do. The first part of our Roadmap to Lexus is helping you get 3 customers. Why do we want to focus on getting 3 customers? Because if you get 3 customers on auto ship in a given month, your next month auto ship is free. Not only is your next month auto ship free, but we give you 3 free bottles of Nerium AD. Also, you can see there, we give you some cash for the first month's acquisition of that customer as well. Step 2 is to help you build an organization, to build a team of brand partners, to use some leverage and be able to build a business that continues to kick in cash flow even when you're not working. So if you go out there and you sell a Success Pack or a Premier Pack to 3 people, we'll get that 3 by 3 by 3. That's how we build our business. By getting 3 brand partners in your business and selling them each a Success Pack, 1, we're gonna give you 3 more bottles of Nerium AD. So now you've got a total of 6 bottles of Nerium AD, $660 of free product. What do you do with the product? You can sample it, you can sell it, you can do whatever you want with that product. It's free to you. It's our investment in you as a brand partner. You also, at this point, have earned somewhere around $570 in cash and incentives for that action. So let's stop for a moment and just think about what we've done so far. What we've done so far is we've gotten 3 customers and 3 brand partners. In the act of doing that, we've got ourselves 6 bottles of product, $570 in cash and incentives, and now we're well on our way to launching our Nerium business. The next step is to really take you through this Roadmap to Lexus and help you earn a free iPad. How do you earn a free iPad? You simply teach your 3 brand partners to get their 3 brand partners. In the act of doing that, you create enough sales volume for you to earn that iPad. Well, in the act of earning that iPad, you've earned more cash flow. Now you're at a little over $1,400 in cash and incentives, and you're just getting started. That iPad's not only a cool, nice free incentive, but it's also a great presentation tool. We're gonna sync all of that information, those videos, our PowerPoints, right to your iPad through that Nerium Cloud that we talked about earlier, and it just makes an awesome conversation piece when you're presenting to someone when they're just simply watching a presentation right on your free iPad. Well, I'd be remiss if I didn't go to this last part to truly cap off the Roadmap to Lexus. And that's where we have brand partners earning a Lexus car bonus. Our Lexus car bonus goes from $500 to $1,000 a month. We have many, many, many brand partners now driving a brand new Lexus. And it's just simply going out, helping 3 brand partners on your team earn their iPad in a given month. That generates enough sales volume for you to earn that car bonus. And what happens by the time that you're a senior director, which is the position that you achieve when you get that qualification for the Lexus, you're at $4,600 in cash and incentives, 6 bottles of free Nerium AD. You're now a senior director, which puts you in a position to even earn more money in your organization on residuals, and just going out there and moving Nerium AD product through the marketplace. So the Roadmap to Lexus is really just spectacular. We're having a lot of fun with it. Look at these folks right here, real people real results. As you notice, there's people from all different walks of life, all different areas of the country. It's really truly an equal opportunity here at Nerium International. And there's one thing I know that we all have in common. We're all having a ton of fun with Nerium International. It's just a great program. Now, I know some of you are saying, I've got kids in college, I've got a mortgage payment, I've got some bills at home, or, flat out, I just want to make some real money. Well, we've definitely taken care of that as well as a company. Our Live Better bonus plan is just the talk of the town right now. It starts at $25,000 bonuses, $100,000 bonuses, all the way up to $1 million bonuses. And we have many, many brand partners that are qualifying for our Live Better bonuses as well. So how will you experience Nerium? Is it looking better, living better, or a little bit of both? Right now, Nerium International is opening its doors to average, everyday people like me and you that want to go out there and create a company, a business, have fun, earn extra money, and look better through the Nerium products. We encourage you to take that step today. Take that step, cross over the line, do something for you and your family. Put that fun back in your life and put that cash back in your bank account. We'll take care of the support, the tools, the training, and the mentorship to help you along the way. Even though you are in business for yourself, you're most certainly not by yourself here because of that support. That was the number one thing that Tammy and I needed, is we needed that support. We feel if you can show us how to do it, we can do anything. Nerium has definitely shown us how to do it. We have the product, the number one product in this industry. We have the science that backs that product. We have the product category that we've already discussed. It's the booming industry. We've got the leadership, Jeff Olson. We've got the third-party edification in this industry, Success from Home Magazine, direct selling news, breaking all the records right now as a company. The timing could not be any better than it is right now in Nerium International. Make a decision today. Get back with the person that showed you this presentation. Let them know that you want to get on our product, become an auto ship customer of Nerium AD, the Nerium AD product line, and you want to also join as a brand partner. Have fun with us, travel the world, and break records with us as we take Nerium AD, Nerium International, and all of our brand partners to a whole nother level.